is the intro.
Yeah.
Oh, get out of here.
See, we're trying to catch our
So, are we ready?
Let's get some fish.
Better start than yesterday.
Let's go.
Mike's just on, guys.
Hopefully we get an after pump now, or go around here. What do we got here? The yellow jack. Other little lesser, or whoop, bye, dude. Oh, there you go. I'm working you out.
Oh, that's a good. That's good, Ian.
Look at that fish right beside it. See the big fish next to it? That's the glass? Probably above the ground. He's good. He's Ready. Chill out, buddy. Grab it. Throw the other pad away. You don't need that. You can use both hands. Just hold on to him. Kind of just hold him where he is. Hold him. You gotta grab it. What do you mean? Look to your left of the camera. There you go.